Hey, this is just a quick tutorial about how to make your front page for your new WordPress website. I'll be using some examples just to show you how easy it is to use. So first of all, you're going to want to log into your site by going to your site, and then after the / you'll type in wp-admin. Click enter, and it'll take you to the back end. From there on out, you go to New and then Page. We're going to give this, I'm just going to call it Home Page. I've written some placement text, but here's where you'll want to put your own words. Right now, we'll add some pictures. We'll go to Media. I'll go to my desktop where I've already got some pictures to use. Make sure you give it an alt text. Also, scroll down here to alignment. If you want, let's say you want it to be on the right of your text, you'll click right. Then you'll pick your size, insert. If you need it to be a little smaller, you'll just resize it as necessary. Then maybe come down here and let's put one on the left. And this time we'll pick tigers. You always want to put an alt text in, and you want to keep it something simple and what you think people would search for. Google will give you SEO bonuses for that. Now we're going to put this one on the left, and I'm going to use that size. Also, if you come back up here, I'm going to put in a header. And pick H1. There should only be H1 tag on one of H1 tag on each page. It basically lets Google know what that page is about. Now we'll hit publish. And before we view that page, we're going to go over here to settings, to general, hover over appearance, and we'll click customize. And from here, you'll see site identity, which you can put your title in. But also down here for home page settings, click a static page. And now that you've already made a page, you use the drop down to select that page. Then hit publish, exit out of it. And now we'll go see what your front page looks like. Right now, this is my home page. And that's all there is to it.